guess what? Today is the day this old girl gets a new heart. That's right. Got spare parts 350 assembled and ready to go in. So, without further ado, welcome to Treerow Rescue. So I just unhooked the starter, and we're just kind of doing some odds and ends, and then I'm going to pull this hood off and go through that procedure. Now, it's kind of interesting pulling these inline sixes. A lot of folks kind of like, they don't understand how special an inline six is. They're like, oh, it's weak. Yeah, it's weak, but they're little torque monsters. And you can't kill them. I mean, I like them personally. I like them a lot. I enjoy them. They're easy to work on. Kind of interesting to pull though, because everything's over here that you mount to. So what I typically do is I go to a motor mount over there, and then I go over here to the intake manifold, pick this sucker up right out. So my buddy's going to be coming over. Well, you know, Justin. He'll be over here in just a little while. He's gonna help me get the hood off, and we just enjoy working together, so I'm sure you can relate. But I'm gonna time lapse the disassembly portion. Disassembly? Yeah, I said it right. And yeah, so let's get this motor pulled. Hey, thank you to all the subscribers and everybody who watches my channel. I kind of have a goal of 600 subscribers, small goal. I'm at 400 now. 600 subscribers in the next couple of months. That would be amazing. It doesn't cost you anything. Click the subscribe button. I appreciate those who support me, and I promise I'm getting better as the time goes. I appreciate you. Never forget that. And if you want to see something, comment below. Email me, treerowrescue@gmail.com. Like, comment, subscribe. Please do all the things. Doesn't cost you anything, and it helps me bring you somewhat of an entertaining show. Maybe some folks really like the show, maybe not, I don't know. I'm just me, that's all it is. But I appreciate you, and thank you. I got my son, Mr. Machu, to help me. All right, Chu. You know today, you know the thing. Yeah. Go ahead, right over there. Take her down. Nope. Up top, remember? Bam, bam. Oh, yeah. Yeah. You can do it. Pull trigger. Yep. Go ahead. Take it all the way. It'd be easier if I didn't give you the wobbly whoop, but it's fine. That's what I had readily available. Side. Okay. Uno más. Nope, a bit more. Yep. All right, grab this. Hold it. You got it? Yeah. Okay. It's a little bitty hood. Alright, open it up. Round over here. Crusty. Easy peasy. All right, now go ahead and start pumping up the jack. We're pulling this motor. Jack handles in it. Go ahead and start pumping it up. What did I forget? Did I forget something? I don't think I forgot anything. I gotta have this strap over here because this motor mount's broken. Hey, listen, it's been a while since I've removed this motor. I can forget things. I'm allowed to forget occasionally. I mean, I'll probably get chastised on the internet, but it's fine. All right, upsy squares. Yeah, doing a fine job. There we go. All right, upsy squares. Goodness. Keep on keeping on. In good shape. Yes, sir. Quick, fast, and in a hurry. Outsies. Pull it out. You're fine. No, there you go. Yep. All right. Just hold on to the motor. Here we go. Whee. It's fine. It's fine. All right. And she's out. Absence of motor. Yes. Now it's time to put in a V8. Yeah. So there's my other son. He's going to be 18 in like 5 months. Stupid. Any hoots? It's a healthy motor. I can't wait to put it in that truck out there. So that's probably going to come next week. But this week, it's a V8 swap. So here we go. I want to put this engine on the stand and grab the V8. To my surprise, I got the whole crew here. Ernie. Justina over there. My brother Doug, he's somewhere over there. There he is. They just showed up. I mean, I knew Justin was going to be here. But anyway, we're dropping in at 350. I had no clue that Ernie and these guys are going to be. I mean, I knew Doug was going to be here too because we're working on his C10 here soon. All right, down we go. Easy does it. Alright, push forward a little. I'm hitting the control arm. Yeah. Force feed it. Alright, down. Okay, let me get on the other side of the wire here. There we go. Down you go.
You gotta go up. You gotta go in more.
Okay. That's as far as we can go in.
That's perfect. That's barely clear on this.
Down. Allegedly. Alright, forward. That's fine. Go ahead. Okay. Hold your biscuits, man. Look at that. Woo! Going in, boys and girls.
Starting to look like a hot rod.
Yeah, you
can go down a little bit more.
yeah, because that is the kick down.
Yep.
And this is the accelerator. Alright, yeah. Let me check the transmission lines on the bottom. Free and clear.
Ready?
Yeah, come on down. All the trains over here.
Yeah, trains over here too.
That's all we got.
No. Go back up a little. on, I know, I gotta. Here, there's a way to do this. It's not the right way, but it's the way I'm gonna do it.
We don't want to now. That's why I love you, little boy.
Yep. Hello, darling. I gotta pick your transmission up.
Change the shape of it too.
No, go in.
In?
Yeah. Hang on. Oh, the headers are totally screwing us.
I'll do that.
But I think we're gonna have to install one side.
What
This
if
side
we
would be the easiest. Drop one side down at a time. Well, we can try that. I don't think that's
What's
gonna
the deal? Are they too narrow for the bell housing?
Yeah, so the ears on the bell housing are. I'm just gonna pull this side off.
I would say, yeah, pull one side off and then we'll sneak the other side out. While we wait. I'm digging the new sand. I can hide back here.
Yep.
Right. I got clothes, but Christmas is for the kids. I say all the adults will go kick rocks.
Yeah, that's kind of me. I didn't. I was like, you ain't got to get me nothing for
I got a
Christmas. You
candle.
know, I got everything I want and need.
I buy everything during the
Yeah.
year that I want.
And of course, you know, the wife
Yeah,
and
you
the
want
kids
it.
are like, nope, they give me all kinds of stuff. So I got some books. And,
Oh, the kids did give me a screwdriver set.
Nice. I got a couple of books. Really nice jacket. Odds and ends, some CrossFit shoes.
Mm-hmm. You'll use them.
Oh yeah, I already did. But yeah, they're nice. Nice! Nice and planted. So happy I get to. I'm never getting that ball back.
No, it fell right there in the open.
Can you
In
hand
the
me
open part of the fender.
Yeah, can you hand me a 3/8 wrench? 'Cause I'm gonna need it for these two. Man, I don't want to install this header inside the vehicle, but I'm going to. I thought I could, okay? Forgive me, I'm human. Yeah, that's what it is.
So that's your brother?
Yep,
He's
that's
the
what
one
it
that
does. Huh?
The one that paints.
Yep.
I heard a lot about you, man.
Whatever he says is not right. He realizes after he's on the camera. Ernie. He's like, oh geez. Okay, let's see. It's fine. It'll just be really loud on one side.
This one looks like the easier one did stick too.
Oh. No, it's fine.
What the fuss?
What the fuss?
It's missing the 10mm that holds it in place.
Working on my camera's language.
All right, let's
What's
see.
the fuss?
I dropped something down there, but it's fine. All right, let's try this round two. Come on, go straight down.
Straight down.
Yes, sir.
Look at that.
Look at that. All right. Pause. Get my wire that's gonna catch on fire out of the way. Get my. All right. Oh, oops. Shoot. Dang it. That's fine. Whatever. Who cares?
What is it?
It's just a bracket. Go ahead. Down. Okay, hold up. How are we looking over there?
Go back a little bit.
We can go back good because my motor mount's about
4 inches too far forward.
Hoping we don't hit the thing on the transmission.
keep going.
the transmission,
Hey, Doug, look under there and see if we're hitting mine. Lovely ratchet strap that's holding the transmission.
no, we're not.
We're not? Good.
There you go.
Okay.
Alright, we need to kick the back of the motor down. Because you're going to hit your shifter linkage for your transmission for that header.
Let's go. Look at you in my muscle.
Alright, go in.
Alright.
Down.
Down, down, baby. Your street in a Range Rover.
We're right underneath that strap. Because our bolt holes lined up on your side though.
The motor mount lined up over there?
It's got to go your way some, but the hole was where it needs to be.
Yeah, that's
Sure,
awesome
the
because
hole-
I'm off by a mile.
Good.
Okay. Dude, she's got a V8 in her. I love this car and I'm happy about this, okay? Yes, we're a bunch of idiots working in a garage, but hey,
That's how you learn.
we all are, right? It's not completely together, but this is going to be a small mini series for the Impala. So this is going to be the ending of part 1. This is just after Christmas and just before New Year's, so I hope every one of you had a fantastic Christmas and are going to have a good New Year's. Remember, use rideshare apps, all right? And AAA does 10 miles for free. Don't drink and drive. Anyway, from all of us here at Treerow Rescue, hope you have a great New Year, and we'll see you in just a little while with part 2 of the V8 swap in the Impala.